Hi, I'm Layla, your AI avatar. If your inbox is a stress factory, stay with me. In the next 9 minutes, I'll turn a chaotic email thread into a 5-line action plan you can execute today. No new tools, no fancy workflow, just one copy-paste prompt and a repeatable checklist. By the end, you'll have 1. A 3-step routine that tames any thread. 2. A SATOD action format. And 3. A one-shot prompt you can paste into your AI.
Hello, I am Caroline, and we promise you this is worth it. Let's start with section Problem Snapshot. Long threads hide the actual ask. CC explosions. Polite fluff. Vague verbs. Result: decision paralysis. Today we fix it with structure, not effort.
Section Framework. Write this down. SATOD. Summary. 1 sentence. What is this thread about? Actions. The list of tasks. Timelines. Real dates, not ASAP. Owners. Who moves first? Dependencies. What blocks what? 3. A one-shot prompt you can paste into your AI.
And here's the 3-step routine you'll use every time. Trim, extract, format. Trim. Remove greetings, signatures, disclaimers, and image noise. Extract. Pull decisions, asks, and promises. Format. Push everything into SATOD. 5 lines max.
You are my ops assistant. I will paste an email thread. Goal: return a 5-line action plan in SATOD format. Do this. Trim. Ignore greetings, signatures, confidentiality footers, emojis, quoted images. Extract. Capture the core goal, decisions already made, specific asks, blockers. Format. Output exactly 5 lines, 1 per section. Summary. Actions. Task. Owner. Verb first. Timelines. Concrete dates. Infer realistic ones if missing. Owners. Who owns each task? Use names if present, else role. Dependencies. Dependencies, blockers, plus the first unblocking step. Constraints. Concise, no fluff, no repetition, no more than 15 words per line. If dates are missing, propose reasonable deadlines with justification in 3 to 5 words. If owner's unclear, assign by role, e.g., design, PM, client. Final line, a single, next move for me, sentence.
Now, what does the 5-line output look like? Here's a dummy example. Summary. Q2 launch email thread. Finalize hero image plus copy. Confirm legal review. Actions. Pick hero image v3. Design, deliver options. Timelines. Image by March 12th. Copy by March 14th. Legal sign-off March 16th. Owners. Design leads image. Copywriter drafts. Legal approves. PM coordinates. Dependencies. Legal review blocks scheduling. First step, PM books 15-minute legal check. That's it. 5 lines. You can paste this into your task tool or reply with clarity.
Section. Common traps and fixes. Trap 1. Polite fog. Fix. Tell AI remove salutations and small talk. Trap 2. Vague verbs. Fix. Force verb-first tasks. Draft, review, approve, ship. Trap 3. Date drift. Fix. Require concrete dates and allow inferred ones with short justification.
Trap 4. Owner soup. Fix. If multiple names, assign the first mover and list supporters. Trap 5. Endless threads. Fix. Add. Stop at 5 lines. Put extra items in a short notes line if needed.
Section. Micro challenge. Open your longest thread. Paste it under the prompt I read. In 60 seconds, you'll get a 5-line plan. Then, reply to the thread with just 3 lines. Here's the plan. SATOD. I'll move first on X. Expect Y by date. Section. Rapid Q&A. What if the thread mixes 3 topics? Run the prompt per topic. If unsure, ask AI to propose the split. No owners named? Use roles. Design beats someone. Dates totally missing? Tell AI to propose dates based on urgency. Soft launch in 2 weeks, etc. Sensitive data? Redact names emails before pasting. Use placeholders like client, PM.
Section, bonus. Same method converts meeting notes to a roadmap. Swap email thread for meeting transcript and keep SATOD. Copy-paste prompt, meeting variant. You are my ops assistant. I will paste a meeting transcript, trim fluff, extract decisions, and format as SATOD in 5 lines. Infer dates if missing. Assign owners by role if unclear. End with next move for me.
Section, templates. Here are 2 quick reply templates you can drop into email. Reply template, plain. Team, here's the SATOD plan. SATOD. Next move for me, by date. Reply template, firm. To move fast, here's the 5-line plan. SATOD. If anything's off, reply in line with 1 change per line. Otherwise, I'll proceed.
Section, recap. Remember, trim, extract, format into SATOD. 5 lines. Verb first tasks. Real dates. Clear owners. 1 next move.
I'm Layla. Comment inbox 0 and I'll send you the prompt card. Next episode, meeting to roadmap. We'll turn a transcript into a sprint plan. See you there.